Welcome back. We're getting in breaking inputs. As Union Home Minister Amit Shah has now slammed Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee. This over the Sandesh Khali incident. The Home Minister has in fact gone on to say that women were exploited on the basis of religion for years. As far as Sandesh Khali is concerned, remember this is not the first time that the Home Minister has launched this attack against the West Bengal CM. He also has been addressing various rallies. In fact, and during those rallies, he's been continuously, consistently attacking Mamata Banerjee for the treatment that Hindu women were meted out in Sandesh Khali. Not to forget, he's also pointed out the bitter irony, the slogan on which the TMC came to power in Bengal, which was Ma Mati Manus. In fact, let's also listen in to Amit Shah's exclusive to CNN News 18.
क्या आपको लगता है संदेश खली एक बड़ा टर्निंग पॉइंट रहा बंगाल के इलेक्शन का?
संदेश खाली चुनावी मुद्दा नहीं है
जी।
एक महिला मुख्यमंत्री के नाक के नीचे सालों तक धर्म के आधार पर महिलाओं का शोषण होता रहे और महिला मुख्यमंत्री इसलिए कुछ न करे कि शोषण करने वाले इनके कार्यकर्ता हैं, इनकी वोट बैंक का हिस्सा है। इससे ज्यादा शर्मनाक बात कोई हो ही नहीं सकती। ये इलेक्शन का मुद्दा नहीं है, ये देश की सुचिता का मुद्दा है। शासन किस तरह से चलना चाहिए? आपकी वोट बैंक को एड्रेस करने के लिए महिलाओं का आप शोषण करने दोगे? हम निश्चित रूप से इस मुद्दे को इलेक्शन के समय में भी और इलेक्शन के बाद भी बंगाल की जनता के बीच में ले जाएंगे।
All right, let's quickly go across to Arun, who will put the entire story into perspective for us. Arun, it's not the first time that the Home Minister has highlighted the divisive policies of the TMC and especially the Bengal Chief Minister.
Well, that's right. And Home Minister Amit Shah making that clear that the Sandesh Khali issue is not something which is related to elections only, because if you see in West Bengal, TMC has been saying this, that this is an election issue of Bharatiya Janata Party since the elections are going on, and therefore they are raising this issue. So Amit Shah outlining this, that Sandesh Khali matter, what has happened in Sandesh Khali is not something which has anything to do with the elections. It will go on even post the elections, and in fact therefore raising the questions on the leadership of Mamata Banerjee. We all know what has happened in Sandesh Khali, how Shahjahan Sheikh, who was the TMC leader from that area, was in fact arrested by the Enforcement Directorate. He's still in the ED's custody, and BJP of course has picked up that matter, and that is the reason why we saw one of the victims of Sandesh Khali, Rekha Patra, got the ticket from Bharatiya Janata Party's side, so she's contesting this Lok Sabha election. So BJP is ensuring that the matter like Sandesh Khali is something which is brought to the eyes of the people of West Bengal, and that is something which is Amit Shah is also outlining through this interview which he gave to our sister concerned channel, saying that Sandesh Khali has been a very, very important matter, and under the nose of woman Chief Minister of West Bengal, these things were happening for years, and now when BJP has raised this matter, they are saying that it's an election issue, but it is not an election issue. It will be there if something of this nature happens. The voice will be raised and the matter will be taken up.
Absolutely. Not to